Now let's open core.js file, and inside of this file we're going to start with a new object literal called system object equals 2 curly brackets semicolon at the end, and we create a few properties. Current item, which will be 1 to start with. Then we go for drawing speed. We want this to be 300 milliseconds. Then we have fading speed. We will have it at 500 milliseconds. Then we go for sliding speed, which will be 300 milliseconds. And then we go for the first method, which will be start. And its function. Inside of this method, we start with the wrapper, append, and now we're going to append the div with the class dark and horizontal underscore 1. So as you can see, this is our first line, first horizontal line. Then we close the div tag. I'm going to close this browser on the left. So once we've appended this, then we're going to call another method, system object draw horizontal 1. So now if we copy the name of this method and create it inside of our object, it's going to be another function. And we go for actually, let's copy the name of this class here. Horizontal 1 dot animate, and inside of animate we have 2 curly brackets. We're going to animate width to 300 pixels. After this, we use the speed. So again, name of the object, system object, and we're going to be using drawing speed. So I copy the name of the property. And after this function, once this has been completed, then we append another element. So I'm going to copy all this from the start method. We're going to append, this time it's not going to be horizontal 1, this time it's going to be vertical 1. And rather than calling draw horizontal 1, we're going to call draw vertical 1. Okay, copy name of the method, call comma after the last method. We see new method, function, and 2 brackets. I'm going to create a few new lines so we can see things better. Okay, now we're calling this vertical 1. So dot for the class, and we have animate. And between the curly brackets, we're going to have height, which will be 300 pixels. After this comma, and again drawing speed, so I'm just going to copy this, and then function, semicolon at the end, and again if we copy this entire thing, paste it here, this time we're going to have horizontal 2, and we're going to call draw horizontal 2. Okay, so we've got first 2 lines drawn. Let's move to the next video and continue with this exercise.